What it do, YouTube family? It's your boy Gotti. We're back at you with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, join the family, like, share, comment. Let me know what's up with y'all, where y'all checking in from. But today we back in the shop working on a box Chevy build, 400 Degreez, what I call them. We're working on this firewall. As y'all see in my, if y'all watched my last video, we did a little paint. But sometimes you just gotta get some color going to, get motivated to do the rest. I mean, it's a lot going on. Sometimes it gets stressful, a lot of money getting spent. So sometimes you have to go ahead and do the fun part. I call it the fun part. Get some paint sprayed on there somewhere so you can see some color going, and that'll kind of get you motivated to go ahead and do the rest, knock the rest out. But today we in the shop, we're working on the back firewall. We're getting the firewall stripped down so we can get that sanded and painted as well, like we did the rest, the inner fenders and radiator support and inside the fenders. So we just about got most of the stuff stripped, all the wires and hoses away from the firewall. We took the master cylinder loose. We're gonna take the AC drive loose. What else? The windshield wiper motor, blower motor, and all that good stuff. So we can get up in there, we can get a good clean paint job on the firewall. So we don't want to be fighting hoses and wires and trying to get around stuff. So I got most of that stuff taken down. I got a few more pieces I'm gonna take out, and I'm gonna set y'all up, set the camera up, let y'all see what's going on with it, how it's looking. And I also already cut myself, scrape myself, wasn't even working in here 10 minutes. Had to break out the first aid kit because I was bleeding like a hog. But man, that's what it's about, you know. When we say we putting blood, sweat, and tears in these bills, you gotta believe it. A lot of headache going into this, a lot of money being spent. So like sometimes, you can't put a price on this stuff, man. Like stuff like this is priceless. But I'm gonna set the camera up and cut y'all on in a second. Alright, so we got the blower motor out. I forgot the name of that damn thing, but we got that out. AC dryer is out the way. Windshield wiper motor out the way. Master cylinder out the way. I think I'm gonna take this grind off, and maybe this accelerator cable out the way, and I think that's gonna be it. We can get in there and get busy. First off, we gotta fix this crack. Like I already showed y'all, we gotta fix that. We're gonna do a little body work in there, watch the fiberglass filler in there, get it all smooth and slicked up. And as I'm doing this, I still don't know if I want to paint this thing black. Paint this back firewall black or blue. What y'all think I should do? Black or blue? I have seen the back firewall done black and everything else is painted, but I don't know, man. I'm thinking. At first I was doing it black, but now I'm thinking I might as well gonna do it blue. But tell me what y'all think. I should do. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once we get in here and get the sand in and doing a little body work. Alright, family, bring y'all in a little closer. Got the crack prepared. Got all the cracks filled in, sealed up. Came out real smooth. Once we prime it, paint it, you never know it was ever damaged. I got the rest of the firewall scuffed up. I'm gonna paint the brake booster too, got it scuffed up. And I figured it'll be a lot easier to just go ahead and repaint the inside of the fender versus trying to tape it off. Since it's so close right there together, I might as well just go ahead and paint it all at one time. It'll give me a good clean finish where I won't be dealing with overspray and this stuff. So
Got a little bit more scuffing, a little bit more masking to do, and then we gonna prime that spot, let it dry, then we're gonna get to the paint. Stay tuned. Alright family, we're back. Got everything taped off that we need to tape off. I got that repair spot, prime and seal, and I done sprayed it already with that Bulldog adhesion promoter. It's just to give it a little extra protection. Spray a little adhesion promoter after you scuff in your areas, especially on your plastic. Help that paint stick a little better. Excuse me, I'm a little out of breath. But about to get the paint mixed up and get this thing sprayed. Catch y'all back on in a minute. Alright, we got 3 coats of base on. Everything covered pretty good. Yeah, I think they're gonna look real good. Yeah, I think that blue gonna turn out better than that black firewall I was thinking about doing. Glad I decided to go ahead blue instead of doing that firewall black. I think it'll give a little bit more detail, everything being blue. So we finna come back and put 3 coats of clear on there. Cut y'all back on when I'm done. Oh yeah, that's it. 3 coats of clear, we done. Man, it turned out good. I'm loving it. All left to do is the rest. Clean that frame up. I'm experimenting down here on the frame. I don't really know what color I want to do. Trying to play off of the interior color. Or should I just go blue with the frame? Same blue on the frame. Or should I play off the interior color, whatever interior color I'm going with? I'm trying to find a peanut butterish color. This one a little too light, this one a little too red. I'm doing it with the camera like y'all know. This one a little too light, that one a little too reddish. And I'm still searching. Nothing set in stone, but there's blue right here. I'm loving that blue. So we got that out the way. Like I told y'all, once they're painted, you'll never know it was cracked up. So y'all drop down in the comment, let me know what y'all think. Y'all feeling the blue on the firewall or feeling the blue period? Let me know what y'all think about the color. Well, I probably won't put the inner fender back in until we get the frame done. Take the bite out the frame, so the inner fender is gonna be left out until then. But I am gonna start assembling all the parts that I took out, like the blower motor, getting a new master cylinder. I found a new coolant reservoir, as well as a windshield wiper reservoir. Those are old, and I think the coolant reservoir is cracked up. I don't know where it's somewhere in there, but it's cracked up. So we're gonna get all that, and that right there, the little details, they're gonna make the paint look even better once all the parts, all the new parts next to the paint, that's gonna make it look a whole lot better. And we're gonna probably clean these fittings up and lines up, aluminum lines, shine them up. Everything that's going back black, we're gonna, if it's not new, we're gonna put a fresh coat of black paint on there, so everything will be looking new, looking brand new. If it's not brand new, it's gonna be looking brand new up against that new paint. So that's what makes beer spectacular, when you pay attention to the detail. And we're gonna find new bolts. We're going back with new bolts and screws. Any little small thing that we can put back in there to give it a extra boost to be great. That's what we're looking for, greatness. So y'all drop down in the comment, let me know what y'all think of the 89 box Chevy, 400 degrees. The new color. Let me know what y'all think about that blue. Doing the firewall. If it was a bad idea or a great idea. Drop down in the comments. I want to hear from you. What y'all think overall. I want to thank y'all, everybody subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Push that like button, comment, share the video. And appreciate everybody that rocking with the boy. On our way to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. You know, that's a major milestone. You know, when I started out, it was slow, but we still grinding, we still working, got plenty more content coming. Go ahead and join the family. Subscribe. We out.